Hello everybody. Today we are going to work on this equation here where we are going to find the value of x. I recommend you to pause the video and try it by yourself. Then you can watch it to confirm your answers. All right, let's get to it. So we have 5 to the power of x plus 15 to the power of x is equals to 250. So if you see this one, always remember the law that says b to the power of c is equals to a to the power of c, b to the power of c. So we are going to find the factors that has 5. So remember, 5 times 3 gives us 15. So we are going to say 5 to the power of x plus 5, 3 to the power of x, which is equals to 250. Now this law becomes into effective because now we are going to say 5x plus 5 to the power of x times 3 to the power of x is equals to 250. I hope you understand this part. All right, now we have the common factor, which is 5 to the power of x. So we are going to factor it out and we have 5 to the power of x is equals to 1 plus 3 to the power of x, which is equals to 250. Now we are going to try to find this right hand side, 250 factors that we can multiply to get 250, but at the same time having the base of 5 and also having the base of 5, the base of 3. So as you all know, 25 times 10 gives us 250, and 25 has the base of 5, and 10 we can surely make something out of 1 plus 3. All right, so let's simplify. 5 to the power of x is equals to 1 plus 3 to the power of x, which is equals to 25 times 10. Let's just simplify further. This is 5 to the power of 2, and this one we can simply write it as 1 plus 9. We didn't change anything because 1 plus 9 still gives us 10. Now we go on to say 5 to the power of x is equals to 1 plus 3 to the power of 2. This is still the same. This is still correct, and yeah, it's still correct, still gives us 9. Now here we still have 5 to the power of x is equals to 5 to the power of x 1 plus 3 to the power of x. Now if you take a look at this equation, we have 5 to the power of x, we have 5 to the power of x, same base, and 1 plus 3 to the power of x, 1 plus 3 to the power of 2. This is really same base. So what we are going to do is just to equate the powers. So you can say either 5 to the power of x, this one is not x, I made a mistake. So this is 2, right, from here, from here, we just take it from here down here. So 5 to the power of x, 5 to the power of 2, so we can equate the powers, which is equals to x is equals to 2. But now we need to verify if this is actually correct. So case number one, 5 to the power of x is equals to 5 to the power of 2, right? 5 to the power of 2. And our x is 2, so we are going to plug in 5 to the power of 2. So 5 to the power of 2 is equals to 5 to the power of 2. And this gives us 25 is equals to 25, right? So case 1 proved. Now let's go to case 2. Case number 2, we are going to say 1 plus 3 to the power of x, 1 plus 3 to the power of x is equals to this one right here, which is 1 plus 3 to the power of 2. Now, if I take this one to the other side, it becomes negative. So 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So I would be left with 3 to the power of x is equals to 3 to the power of 2. And we said our x is equals to 2, so we are trying to prove about that. So this becomes 3 to the power of 2 is equals to 3 to the power of 2, which is just the same. 9 is equals to 9. So hence our answer is x is equals to 2. Thank you so much for following, and thank you so much for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for the other questions like this. Bye. Have a good day.